If you want to paste a photo into another photo on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we can open the Photos app and then we can choose the photo that we wish to pretty much put into another photo, or actually the subject that we wish to add into another photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here where I have this car toy, and now what I can do is I can touch and hold my finger on this subject, and I can choose to add sticker. And in here, we're gonna just add the sticker. There we go. We can also add effects to the sticker if you want to, but we're gonna skip that. Now we're gonna open another photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And let's go to this editing option. And in here, we're gonna go to the markup. We're gonna tap on this markup option. We can press this plus button on the right side at the bottom of the screen, and then we can choose to add a sticker. And then we can choose the sticker that we just created. There we go. Of course, we can still resize, I believe, the sticker. There we go. We can change the position. We have a bunch of different options as well, like duplicate, remove background, and so on and so forth. And once we are done with our added subject, we can tap on this check in the top right corner in order to save it, and then we can either press done or tap on these three dots in order to, well, actually we cannot save as duplicate for some reason, but we can just tap done in that case. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.